How's it going, guys? Day 16, 1,000 day crypto challenge. And today, the one and only Steem is what we're going to be talking about. So, just right off the bat, what is Steem? All right, so Steem is the currency of Steemit, the platform. It's a blogging platform. You can write, and the whole idea is you get paid for your writings. Um, yeah, I mean, it's sort of like Medium and a mix of Quora, Medium, and Reddit almost, and you can write about anything you want. There's categories, and people get paid a lot of money to write good articles. So now we're gonna go to the chart. This is the Bitcoin chart. Really strong trend line here. Just straight pumping, man. Doesn't really get any better than this. We saw a breakout of a triangle here. Nice little breakout as far as this triangle goes. I mean, it's not exactly a great triangle, but it looks pretty good. Now we're testing new levels. If we can make some, get some support around this level. Once we break through this level, though, in my opinion, it's going to go to the crazy moon because we're going to break through this level on Binance. I wouldn't be surprised to see a double from here. So the things I want to talk about with this chart, there's a few things to show why I'm super bullish on this. So first is the RSI. So we clearly have, we clearly have a hidden bullish divergence. So we got the oscillator is making lower lows, but the prices are making higher highs. So that means that this price has a lot more room to grow because of this hidden bullish divergence. Because while this RSI indicator is resetting and going lower, the price is continuing to go higher. So that just means that when it's ready to come back up, we're going to keep seeing further bullish movement. So that's really, really a good sign. Just overall, this volume is another really strong sign for a pump. Like, this is an insane amount of volume here. Really, really good sign. And then let me go to the Bittrex chart, actually. We might see some further price history. So yeah, so we're clearly testing an important level right here. Like I said, definitely big to break. I think once we break this current level that we're at, we're gonna see some nice price movements up. Definitely. Let's see what we're looking at. Yeah, so if we break this level, I would expect it to almost come up to here and test this level at this area, and then honestly, I'm expecting a full test of 0.006. So that'd be or 0.006. So that's a little more than a 10x. That's a little crazy, but I don't see why not. I'm definitely gonna be taking profits in between, but I got big hopes for Steem. Look at this volume here. Really bullish volume. Let's see what we can get out of this chart. Definitely got a nice little triangle forming here. Definitely pretty bullish on this triangle, actually. Wow, this is really nice looking. I didn't have this drawn before because Binance doesn't have previous price action, but geez, that's a nice triangle. The RSI, as you can see, is on a straight bullish divergence. We're not even close to the oversold levels yet, or overbought, sorry. So that we definitely got some room to run. I would say, okay, so from here, yeah, so we definitely got at least another big candle, and I think that's once we break out, we're definitely going to test this level. So I think a double is still in store for us until we get some major retracement. This triangle is probably going to play out in our favor, us Steem holders, and it should look good. Now for the dollar chart, I think it looks even better. I have my charts in log view, so that's why they look like this. Let me just actually change it. So non-log view. So we saw a breakout of this triangle, of this diagonal trend line. I actually would call it a falling wedge on the dollar chart. Quite clearly a falling wedge. And so we broke out of it, and now we're pushing, and we tested this high level of support. There's a lot of confluence here with this horizontal level. I definitely think it's a strong one, and we could definitely going to get some bounce down here, which we already gotten. But once we break out of this level, I don't see why we can't break up even further. Strong resistance here on this first run, and then pumped right through it, and then we got using it as support here, using a support here, and then this eventually turned to resistance. So now, of course, we got still resistance here. Again, really nice volume here. This chart is a little higher. The dollar chart is a little higher on the RSI, so this shows that we're in for a little more of a pullback. But I'm still overall bullish on it, and that's STEEM. And thanks for watching.